want to do any activity or workout or anything today. And so I decided to run and walk around my kids' track right outside my son's practice today. I was just not feeling it today. I was not feeling it. There's just a lot going on in my head, a lot of stuff happening in life. And today I just went out there and started running for a little bit and then walked for a little bit. And I started to feel a little bit better. So this message is just for those who are going through it. Like, keep going, keep pressing in. Even if it's a little thing that you do, get out there, get active. Go take some time to just renew your mind, get in the Word, because this feeling too shall pass and you'll be able to just keep moving forward. God bless. I'm out.